Good morning.
But you wanna mark a man chain, she a fiend, she's gold. Golden, 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 golden girl with a golden.
Okay. I miss you guys, so I'm gonna do a little vloggy vlog today. I'm gonna try not to show y'all my couch and my bed, cause furniture tour is coming up soon. Y'all gonna see all of that then. So anyway, I'm not too long to wake up. I'm just gonna show y'all my morning routine and basically vlog. Try to my best to vlog. Cause every time I vlog, I never do it right. And I always forget certain stuff, and I end up deleting it. But yes, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this little vloggy vlog today. And y'all roll with me, ride with me, get me to 20K. I feel like I shouldn't be saying this no more. I should be saying 100K. But anyways, let's get it. I look crazy. I know. But I made some tea today. I forgot. I just decided to vlog, so you're not gonna see me drinking the tea. I'm not gonna fake act like I didn't already drink tea and I drank some more tea for the sake of the video. Next time. But I had some of this organic green tea with ginger. Yeah. So after that, well, I had put some honey. I put some raw organic honey. I got that from Ross. Squirted some lemon juice in that. I woke up with a little sore throat. So yeah, I came and I light my candle, positive vibes. I got this from Marshall's, I believe. And then I got this one. This one is Pure Sage Energy Cleansing. I got this one from Amazon. I light that bitch up. Then came over here and I opened up my balcony and let Seven go out there and be a crackhead. Yeah, crackhead behavior. And your bitch ass better not jump, because you're not welcomed here again. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so you see, it looks, like I need to sweep. So I'm going to do that, try to sweep and make it as clean as possible so that when I get my furniture for the balcony, it'll be clean and nice. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. If I look crusty, then I look crusty. But my vision for my balcony is to be full of plants. I want to have a meditating area, like the rug, so that when it gets hot outside, I'm gonna be out here meditating. I want to have my dining room table with chairs so that I can eat out here, and then I want to have a regular comfy layout chair. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So today, girl, you trying to get. So basically today, what I want to do, what we're going to be doing is nothing until later on. We're going to go to a twerk fitness class. So we go, yeah. So we're going to do that. I don't really have much planned today, but, because today was supposed to be my lazy day, but then my friend invited me to do this with her, so I'm going to do it with her. Seven! Child, I know you're not dumb enough to jump. So today's when I wanted to start my little cleansing. No meat, only greens, veggies and stuff. Diet. I wanted to start that today. Maybe for 21 days, maybe more. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because your girl like meat. I can't eat food without meat. And then when I'm hungry, I feel like I'm starving. When I'm starving, I be feeling to throw up, and I don't like throwing up. I don't like that feeling. But hey, I'm gonna have to push my body to get used to it because we need it. We need a cleansing. We need to cleanse it. So let me put y'all onto this. Liquid chlorophyll. If y'all don't know, chlorophyll is in plants and what makes it green and makes the plant absorb energy from the sun. Yada yada yada. So I hope if I'm a plant and I absorb people's energy, it ain't bad energy. It's absorbed the good. But then what if they have no more good left because I absorbed it all? Anyway, it says internal deodorizer. So it promotes cleansing, freshens breath, natural mint flavor, and I heard it like make your nails smell like, you know, goodness. Even if you ain't put deodorant, it smells good, and it make that that wow wow wow. So I've tried it already. As you can see, like I have a bottle here laying around. I gotta throw it in the garbage because it's supposed to be in the fridge. But like, that's the thing, I always start something I can't finish. So today's the start of the day where I'm going to be doing this shit for real. So you're supposed to put only 1 tablespoon. I don't feel like measuring, so I'm just gonna. You're wondering what it tastes like? It tastes like you literally just peeled a piece of a plant and just chewed it up. Literally. But it has like this minty flavor at the same time. It's not bad. It's not bad. But yeah, so I haven't ate breakfast, so I don't know now that I'm on a new diet what my breakfast is gonna be like. I have spinach, I have avocados. Or should I just go like Smoothie King, get like a smoothie? You want me to do that? Okay, I think I'm gonna do that. Alright, y'all, so you know, just gonna do what I do. Meditate. I got my babies with me. My babies. My favorite one, honestly. I wear it on my neck everywhere I go. My favorite one. Amethyst. I lost one in my car somewhere, but I'm gonna find it. It was a clear quartz, but it's okay. So I got my Palo Santos with me. Where you disappear? Hello? Hello? 7, did you take it? 7. Am I blind? Am I going blind, y'all? Oh. Let's get all the negative things that's been happening out. And let the positive come back in. Because, your girl. So, yeah. Usually, so that's a mini little something. 7 always want to be down. Stink of butt. Say look. Say hi. Say hi. The Drip and Go gang. Go say hi. Go say hi. This way. Say hello. Hi. Alright. Thank you. See, I don't know about y'all, but I like to brush my teeth in the bathroom. I'm sorry I'm weird like that. It's weird that I brush my teeth in the sink. Sorry. I'm sorry. I like to get everything done when I want. My poom poom. And my teeth. So yeah. I use Hello Fluoride Free toothpaste. Activated charcoal for wiping. And I got this. It's like a little wooden toothbrush. So yeah, I'm gonna, bed, wash my cat, and I'll be right back. Outfit of the day. Some calm. I got on my Von Dutch. And we're gonna go get like a juicing because I gotta eat. And I'm gonna think of another meal. Can I have the immune builder?
The immune builder, what flavor?
Oh, what flavors you got? Oh, that's not what's in it. That's the flavors. Okay.
All right, I know you're looking at it, but you see the veggie, and then we got the mixed berry with strawberries.
Okay, so the veggies. The veggie blend.
If you like the veggie, that's gonna give you some spinach and carrots with the apple juice blend and kale and bananas.
Yeah.
The mixed berries is gonna be the strawberries and raspberries.
Well, then
blueberries, all of that.
Well, the veggie one then.
You like a small, medium, or large?
Medium. I hope I like you.
Anything else you like today?
No, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. It'll be 8:43 when you get to the
Thank you. Okay, so I got it. This is how it look. I thought it was gonna be nasty. It's pretty good. So what y'all missed before I came here, I just went to the gas station, pumped some gas. So yeah, then we're gonna drive and go get Trey. He's just gonna come chill, so I'm be bored today. Y'all, I'm sorry, but I'm really craving something right now. But you know, I'm not gonna give in. Day one. So we're gonna have a salad from here. Hi. A regular salad bowl. It's my first time, so I don't know.
A little water.
Cucumbers. Is that green peppers? Oh yeah. Okay.
Olives?
And that's what's this white thing here?
Yeah, just a little. Please.
No white thing here. Okay, now I'm good.
Okay.
You can put some carrot. Corn. Is that cranberry?
Oh no, these are meats.
Oh.
They have dried cranberries.
And then I get the meat, right?
Okay.
No cheese, thank you.
Yeah, strawberry. Pineapple.
Oh, you can put on top.
What's this right here? Huh? You can put that. And the cranberries.
That free-sun-dried tomato, honey mustard, balsamic vinaigrette, spicy chipotle ranch, buttermilk ranch.
Guys, I'm so sorry. I added chicken. But it's alright though. It's alright. We're gonna do like once a week. We do the chicken. It ain't gonna hurt. It's still greens. Like, you know, it should be okay. I'm eating it with a healthy meal. So, it looks so good. It looks so good. So we're gonna try it. It's maybe my new spot of whatever. So, okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. It's good. It's really good, real healthy. I feel real healthy right now. We're on a healthy journey. So let's hope I can keep it up. Hey to the vlog.
Hey, vlog.
So yeah, we on our way to twerk class. I'm gonna try to vlog. We just gonna have a good time. So yeah.
Period.
It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5.